kind of felt like Italian food is like the default food. A little bit I was number two.